this is for the future Lisa editing. Please ज़्यादा लंबी मत करना वीडियो, छोटी सी बनाना and keep it short and simple. It seems like I cannot do it, you know. It ends up being a 10-minute long video, but yeah. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing this wonderful day? I hope you are safe and I hope you're doing amazing in your life. Excuse me if I ghosted y'all and I magically disappeared. But I'm back and that's what matters the most. So hi, if y'all don't remember me anymore, I'm Lisa and I exist and I come with a bunch of makeup. That's all I can say. So how have you all been? I hope you're doing great. I hope that even if you have somehow contracted COVID, you have fought it really well and you have recovered. And if you're still if you're someone who still has it, I pray for you and I hope you get back as soon as you can. Get back as in I hope you recover. See, I have really I've lost the sense of talking. I don't know how to talk in front of the camera anymore. बहुत introduction हो गया. So in today's video, what I thought of doing is, since मैं बहुत महीनों बाद आई हूँ आप सबसे बात करने के लिए, I thought I should do one thing, that one makeup technique that every Indian woman and every Indian female wants to know. So it's pretty common. A lot of my relatives ask me how you do it, and it's the smoky eye. So अभी recently Delhi से मेरी cousin आई थी and she was like, you just teach me how to do that smoky eye, and I did teach her. But I thought, why not make a video about it, because it's a pretty common thing and people want to know how to ace that beautiful smoky eye look. And so I thought, why not do that today? And that's why I even wore this matching outfit. नीचे मैंने पजामा ही पहना हुआ है, ऊपर ही वाला but yeah, if you want to know how to get that smoky eye look, then please continue watching and please excuse the traffic wala awazein, because I don't have, like I said, I don't have a professional setup, so you'll hear it, but you gotta cope up with that, you know. If you want to watch me, you have to hear the 76 cars जो बाहर honk कर रही हैं. Anyways, I love y'all. If you haven't still not unsubscribed to my channel, because you didn't lose your hope in me. That's what matters, right? So thank you so much for that. I love every single one of you who's watching me right now, and I know you're a beautiful person inside out. So let's go. And बहुत लंबा introduction हो गया है, so let's go. Is since we're doing the smoky eye, right? So if you want, if you're going for an eye look which requires a lot of color on your eyes, or a lot of blending and a lot of work on your eyes, I prefer that you go in with your eyes first and then just do the whole rest of your face, because that way if you mess up something, it's not going to transfer to your foundation, or if you have already applied your makeup. So what I suggest is you do your eyes first. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to start doing my eyes, but before that I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. So ta-da! Alright, so I primed my lids and with a concealer, and I also did my brows off camera, and now we're gonna head on to the main part, which is blending and patting on the shadows and blending. It's gonna be an easy thing, don't worry. So the palette that I'll be using today is the Pretty All Set palette by You Can Be. It's the newest addition to my makeup collection. It's a very beautiful palette, as you can see. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use this palette to create the look, and you're going to be seeing a lot of this palette in my channel, because this literally has every color possible. So yeah, and thanks to that one friend who gifted me this on my birthday. You really know me, homie. That really rhymed. I could be a rapper. So the first thing that you do is, when you're going for any kind of smoky look, it can be a black, a brown, or any color smoky look, what you have to do is you have to set a transition shade, and a transition shade is supposed to be suitable to your own skin tone, and it's supposed to be in brown color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade. You can see the shade, right? I'm going to take the shade on a fluffy brush, and first what I'm going to do is I'm going to pat it on my crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pat it on my crease, and you can just see where it goes. So what I'm going to do is pat. You see the color? And blend. So I'll just start blending it in. That's how we're going to start and build a base for the black. So the trick is you pat on a pigment or like a color, and what you do is you first pack it on and then you blend it in. So in that way you're gonna get that perfect, wow, brushy gir gaya. You first pat it on so that you get that pigmentation, and then you blend it in, and the more you blend it, the better it's gonna look, because smoky eye is supposed to look very, blended out and really nice and still pigmented. So that's what we're gonna do. First pack and blend, and even if it's like a arm exercise for you, just do it. Just do it, girl. There's like a black color here, and side, like just next to it, is a grayish color. So I'm gonna start off with this gray color, and like I said, packing it on and then blending it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work it on the outer V of my eyes, as you can see, and there you go. You can even take it into the crease. And what you want your smoky eye to look like is you want the maximum pigmentation on your lids, and then it should fade out, and it should just like get into like a transition of brown or maybe gray. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna start and pack the black color on as like a liner, right? So this, I hope you can understand the concept. What we're doing here is we're packing on the pigment, blending it out to the crease, packing it on more and blending it out more. So in that way you're gonna get a very seamless, a very beautiful black smoky eye, which all of you are gonna love. You can take the same brush which you used to blend in the transition shade, because then it's gonna even get like easier. So yeah, and what I'm gonna do now is blending it out. When you feel like you've reached the moment jahan pe you don't want any more black on your lids, that's when you're gonna take your brown shade and you're just gonna blend the black into the brown. That was very hard to say. And voila, your smoky eye is ready. And I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. I'll be right back. Now if you want, you can keep this look just as it is, or you can add a nice little shimmer. I would recommend you keep it just like this because it looks better in like an all matte way. But if you like shimmer, you can add shimmer. It's your life, you do you. I'm just gonna take this shimmer and I'm just gonna pop it on my teardrop. On the lower lash line, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the same brown that I used on my transition, and I'm just gonna place it. Alright you guys, so what I could have done is I could have put on a full face of makeup and then removed it after this video, but I don't see the use of that because I'm not going out anywhere. So I'm not gonna do like the full face, but I am gonna put on a nude lipstick just for you guys. So yeah, let's go, let's put this on and call it a day. So that is it for the video, you guys. I added the lipstick and I also added these earrings that match the vibe pretty well, but they're not really visible because of my hair, and I cannot get rid of these here, so yahi bacha mere paas. But I hope you liked this video. I hope you found the eye look helpful. I hope you learned how to do like a classic smoky eye. I hope you all missed me all these months, and I'll come up with another video very soon, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Share this video because I need your shares, y'all. I really need y'all. So share my video, support your girl, and what else can I say? Stay safe and stay healthy, because that's really important. बहुत नई नई बीमारियां आए जा रही हैं इस दुनिया में. It's like the end of the times. So stay optimistic, stay safe. I've said that. But yeah, I hope you like this video. I also wanted to share this one thing. If you do like a black smoky eye one day, don't ever go for a bold lip color. Always, and I say this 100 times, always opt for a nude color. When you go for a bolder lip and a smoky eye, it just doesn't make sense, and it makes you look vampy, which you can go for if you want to. But if you don't want to go for vampy looks, then just don't go for a bold lipstick with a black smoky eye. Go for nude, and nude always. Like this one, this complements, this tones it down, this makes it look like a look and not like, like an Halloween outfit. I'm so sorry, I just throw shade like that. I will see you all very soon. Bye guys, and keep on loving me.